Dioma na-ege ntị. Kedu ka unu mere? Abịala m ọzọ tata. Today I will be revising what I've learned, which is learning how to count in Igbo. Ọnụ ọgụgụ n'Igbo. So that was by far the fastest way I've ever learned how to count in any language I know. And this is because I use this song. 1 or 2, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 itoolu, 9 itoolu, 10 iri, 10 iri. Hey! Today is a good day to make a video like this. Okay, so this song is very good because it already contains tones. So that's how I was able to learn it fast. So 1 or 2 or 2 abụọ, abụọ, 3 atọ, atọ, 4 anọ, and so on. Then if you want to count from 11 to 19, you'll put na between 10 and the number that you want. So for example, 11 will be iri na otu, 12 iri na abụọ, 13 iri na atọ, and then 20 will be iri abụọ, so the na will drop, and 30 will be iri atọ, and then that continues until we reach 100, which I do not know how to say, and I also do not know how to say 0, so please let me know in the comments. Dalo.